3 months ago, I was a slave to the Facebook algorithm. I was spending over 25 hours a week. That's a part time job. Manually posting content, trying to keep up with guys like Austin, Adrian, and so many other people out there. My audience was growing, but I was burning out fast. In this video, I'm gonna share the story of how I escaped that Facebook prison and reveal the exact automation system I built to solve the problem. A system that now posts for me 96 times a day, even while I'm sleeping. Okay, do you get it? You know the formula works. You have seen the viral text post, but the brutal reality is that doing it manually is a nightmare. I was copy pasting hooks, then comments, then adding stories, making sure every post is being liked. My days were a blur of clicks. My business was suffering because of all time was spent on this one repetitive task. I knew there had to be a better way. I looked everywhere, but Facebook's API doesn't allow automation for personal profiles. So I became obsessed. I dove into the world of desktop automation and other fields, and after weeks of trial and error, I built a system that could perfectly replicate the entire viral framework. A system that could post the hook, the story, like your post, and all be 10, 5, 10, 15 follow-up comments with human-like behavior. This is the first time I ran it and watched it post a complete thread while I just sat back with my coffee. That was my epiphany bridge moment. I realized I hadn't just built a tool, I had built freedom. That's what I want to share with you. This is that system. I call it FB Viral Autopilot. It is the easy button for the entire viral text post strategy. It is the machine that does work for you, so you can focus on what you do best. Now, let me pull back the curtain and show you the exact engine that my team will personally install, or I will personally install and configure for you. So everything runs off this simple Excel sheet. It is designed for a 15 comment blueprint. You have the text post, and then this system I built for myself. The 15 comments will be designed in a way that the first comment will be an engagement comment, like it is going to ask you, the audience, in a way that they will engage. And then you have comment from comment 2 to comment 12. It will be like an actionable steps, let's say step 1 to step 5 or 10. So the 11 value steps will be there after the engagement comment, and then your 2 CTA comments, which either you can promote your own product or any affiliate product, it's up to you. And then you have human like spark comment. So, and then of course you have the post status, comment status, and then the exact date the system is being posted, the date and time. So this system, this Excel sheet is designed in a way that it is not doing going to just post, but also engage the audience, whoever reads your thread and promotes your own offers or any affiliate offers. So you're not only getting the system for yourself or for your business or your clients, but also you are getting a strategy that is already working, but I enhance that strategy to get like 1,000 times better results.
Okay, so now let's talk about the actual automation, the workflow, so how it is designed, and you know how it is going to execute post based on your preferred time and date. So this workflow is divided into three flows. Obviously, you have main flow, and then you have a subflow called update post status, and then you have the second subflow called update comment status. So everything happens in the main flow, as you see. So this starts off. Obviously, first you need to update the path, the URL for your Excel spreadsheet where you have saved that spreadsheet in your PC, and then you're gonna have to provide your Facebook URL in the second, updating or setting up the path. Then what it does is it is going to launch Excel spreadsheet and then read the data, whatever the data you have there, and then it is going to close the Excel sheet. So after closing the Excel sheet, the actual magic starts from here. So let me just scroll down a bit. Okay, so now it is going to launch the browser. So when it comes to the browser, during my testing, I found out that since this is a Microsoft product, so it works really well with Edge, Microsoft Edge browser compared to Google Chrome. So rather, basically forcing the workflow to use Google Chrome, just simply use the Microsoft Edge browser. That works really well without any issues with Microsoft Power Automate. So it is going to launch the browser and open up your Facebook profile, and then it is going to wait for 2 seconds just to make sure that the page gets loaded, and then it is going to click on the area, the button that says what's on your mind, and then again it is going to wait for 3 seconds. So after waiting for 3 seconds, it is going to click on, obviously, to choose the background color for the text post. In this case, I made it default like a black background color, but I offer a custom or a different background color for text post. I think it is included in the accelerated CFY package. So, but for everyone, it is the default background color is black. So let's just move on. So after clicking on the or selecting the background color, it is going to again wait. Obviously, choose the background color black, and then again it is going to wait for 5 seconds, and then click on the area where you actually type your text post. I'm gonna run it after showing you the steps, and then you is pending, and based on that it is going to take the post text from that particular cell in Excel, and then it is going to type here, and then again it is going to wait for 3 seconds. After waiting for 3 seconds, it will click on the next button, and
gonna wait for another 3 seconds, then click on the post button, and then that's how it gets posted. So after it is being posted, so it's gonna wait for 5 seconds and then perform the next actions. So even though I have added liking a post and sharing it to your story, those are the two features, but I highly recommend you do not use them from here. And then it's gonna continue to publish comments from comment 1 to comment 15, and it's gonna wait for 10 seconds after publishing all the comments, and then goes to the subflow to update the post status and the current date. And once that is done, it is going to go to the next subflow to update the comment status. So that's how this entire workflow perform. So now I'm gonna go ahead and run it, so that you can see live how it is going to actually read the data from Excel, and then goes on to Facebook, and then follow all these steps and post it.
So now watch this. I'm going to launch the FB Autopilot tool. I just point it to the content file and then click start. So the automation is now opening the browser. It is creating the post with the colored background, and now it is publishing the first comment, the second, the third, and all with realistic human-like delays. It will post all 15 comments, like the post, and even add the story. It is a complete end-to-end execution of the strategy. This is the machine that works for you 24/7. So two more quick points here. So talking about liking your post and adding the story. So if you keep liking your own post as soon as that is being posted, that is fine for some of the posts, but not for all. So let's say if you're posting more than 20, 30, 40 times, Facebook is gonna send you kind of like a yellow card, I would say that, and give you the restrict you basically from liking even your post or other posts for up to like 24 hours. So I highly suggest, even though I have added this feature, liking a post as soon as it is being created, you disable that, because our aim is to post with high frequency, not to get Facebook send us some sort of like notification where we perform like more than like the activities, or use their features that is allowed. So that is suggestion number 1. And the second suggestion is regarding the adding stories. So even though I have added the features to add it to your story as soon as the post is being created, but the better way to add to your story is that just go to the Facebook settings. I'm gonna show it to you right away, and then you can enable the add to story option from there, rather getting that done from this automation, because it is much more easy and simpler having Facebook to directly add any post you create to your story, rather with this workflow. So those are the two key points I wanted to show it to you. So how can you get this system? So we have made it incredibly simple. We have realized that the biggest barrier isn't just having the tool, it is getting it set up and optimized perfectly. That's why I have created 2 done for you packages. With our DFY Express package, we don't just send you a file, we get on a live call and I will personally install and configure the entire system for you. You will also get my video playbook, which I'm doing it right away, and all my best cheat sheets. And for those who want to move even faster, we have a DFY VIP accelerator package. With this, we not only install the system, but you and I get on a private 1-hour strategy call where we build your entire content plan together. Plus you get my bonus automation and 15 days of my personal support. We make sure you are set up for an absolute home run. You get it? So this is your chance to stop being a manual labor and start being the architect of your own growth machine. If you're ready, get your time back and put your Facebook growth on autopilot. Click the link below to this video. It will take you to our page where you can see the full breakdown of both DFY packages and choose the one that's right for you. The rest of this YouTube series will show you the advanced systems we add for our VIP clients, like 24/7 scheduler and the AI content loader. So click the link now and let's get your machine built. Take care.